Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw contact info from Keap. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Keap login page. Enter your username and password. Click the login button to access your account. Once you are logged in, find the Contacts tab in the main dashboard. Click on the Contacts tab to view your contact list. In the contact list, locate the specific contact whose information you want to withdraw. You can use the search bar to help find the contact quickly. Click on the contact's name to open their profile. Once in the profile, look for options related to contact information. Find the Actions button, usually located at the top right corner of the profile page. Click the Actions button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the Export option from the drop-down list. In the export settings, choose the format you prefer, such as CSV or Excel. Select the specific data fields you want to include in the export. After setting your preferences, click the Export button. Wait for the export process to complete. Once finished, a download link will be provided. Click the download link to save the file to your computer. You now have successfully withdrawn the contact information from Keap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.